In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your HubSpot dashboard and you want to go to the left, you want to hover over the CRM, and then you want to click on contacts at the very top. Now, this is going to take you to your contact list, and then in here, as you can see, there's going to be all your contacts, and to export them, it's actually super simple. All you have to do is go to the top right and click on this export button over here, which is going to allow you to export the view. So just click on that, and then from here it's going to show you exporting all contacts, and it's going to show you how many there are. And now from here you can just go and select the export name. I'm actually going to leave it as all contacts, and then you have to select your file format as well. So you could do CSV, which is basically comma separated values, and then you can go and use that somewhere else, or you can just open it like in a program like Excel or similar, or you could also click and export it in XLS or XLSX, which is basically the Excel format in case you are using that. Then here you also have the option to change the language of column headers. I'm going to leave it as English, but as you can see, you have a bunch of different languages you can pick from. When you've done this, you can also go to the Customize tab, which is going to allow you to do some more customization. So here, as you can see, if there's contacts with multiple email addresses, you could go and include all email addresses or not. It's up to you. And then properties included in export, you have three options over here. You can go and export properties and associations in your view. You could do all properties on records or all properties and all associations on records. I'm going to keep this as it is over here. And then from here, it says associations included in report. You can go and include associated record name, and then you can go and include up to 1,000 associated records in each association column, or all of them as well. Okay, so that's completely up to you. And then here it's going to show you what data is included in this export. And of course, as it says over here, if you pick any of these settings over here, this may result into a slower export. So you're going to have to be a bit patient to actually get your export ready. Okay, but it's still usually super quick. We're talking seconds or minutes, not hours. Okay, now when you're done, hit this export button over here, and there we go. As you can see, it's processing. You'll receive an email once it's done. I only had 4 contacts, so this is actually already done. And you can just go and click on this button up top to actually download, or of course get the export onto your computer, or you could go and click on track export in export audit. And this is going to open up the export audit here inside HubSpot. And as you can see, there's going to be your export. You can just click on its name and it's going to get downloaded onto your computer. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.